What is up, guys? The GM Man back with another video. Hope you guys kind of like that dirt bike riding video. I just want to change it up a little bit from the normal stuff on the channel. But my truck is back. It is better than ever. I want to thank Don at Don's Auto Repair in Seymour for fixing everything, getting the headers put on, get the header bolts put in, just getting it finally running the way it should. It's super windy out here, so I'm gonna try and kind of stay in the garage a little bit, keep the wind from hitting the camera, but it is back. Truck is fully rebuilt. Still have a little oil leak down there on the bottom. Not quite sure where it's coming from, but all these older 350s leak, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. But like I said, I'm gonna try and stay out of the wind over here, so you guys can hear me a little bit better. But the truck is back. I got the hood popped right now. A light company sent me some headlights for it. That might be another video, so I can do a full review on it. But yeah, you guys seen the exhaust. But as of today, I'm sorry again for the wind, we are going to be doing an EGR delete. You guys probably seen that in one of my other videos too. So basically, this here is going to be coming out. There is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, a 10mm bolt that's right in there. And then we have one right there we're going to be taking out, and basically a blocker plate with a new gasket will be going on that. And then there is a hole right up in here I'll have to block. But I'm going to shut you guys off real quick, grab some tools, and then I'll bring you guys back so you can see everything. Alrighty guys, this bottom bolt here is a 1/2 inch. The top one was a 10mm, so this has definitely changed before. I had to remove this little rubber hose so I could get down in there easier. It's coming off now, as you can tell. So I'm gonna probably get this taken off real quick, get that pulled out, and then the new gasket is over here. This is basically what it looks like. This is the gasket part, that's the blocking plate, and then they give you 2 new bolts to go with it. It was like 22 bucks, I believe. So I'm gonna get this pulled off real quick, get the other piece matched up, and then I'll bring you guys back so you can see what it looks like. Well, here's the part, guys. I'm sorry again for the wind noise. I'm trying to stay like up underneath the hood so it blocks it, but basically that's what it looks like. This is just gonna kind of free hang now, so just kind of zip tie it up. Gonna throw that blocking plate on there, get those other 2 bolts put in there. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Like I said, that bottom one was a 1/2, that one was a 10mm. I'm guessing mine was replaced before, so I mean, look how nasty that is up in there. I'm gonna wipe my finger in here real quick and see how disgusting it is. Oh yeah, look at that. Now it's just on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that blocking plate put on there, and I'll bring you guys back once it is on there so you guys can see what a final product looks like, and then I'm gonna get that hole plugged over there and we should be good to go. Alright guys, there's what the finished product looks like. You can do this at home. It took me probably 30 minutes. Most time consuming part was I dropped my extension down in the pulleys here, and it took me 10 minutes to get it out. But other than that, it's pretty simple. What a lot of guys do on plugging this hole is either find a bolt that fits it and just tighten it down, or on the stock manifolds there's the return line, and then there's a tube, like a, I don't know what it's made out of, but like a metal tube. and there's a fitting that screws in to it. So basically they'll just cut that metal tubing, just kind of tack weld it solid so no like gases or fumes can escape, and then they just screw it down into that hole. But if you have a modified engine, there's no reason to have the EGR on here, the return lines or anything, so that's why I had and redid this, because this engine is not stock anymore. It's fully rebuilt, maybe has 500 miles on it. As you guys have seen, I've had some problems with it here and there, but we should be good to go. Yeah, so that being said, I want to apologize again if there's a lot of wind noise in this video. I'm trying to hide behind the hood to kind of break some of that wind noise. But we do have another, well, my sister bought a project vehicle for the channel. She's always wanted one. She's been looking probably 6 months now. Finally bought it probably 2 weeks ago. It is currently back over here. I'm not going to show you guys, but hopefully this winter we'll have some footage of it. Hopefully here shortly I'll have a video of it up, showing you guys what it is. And yeah, I'm hopefully going to get a video of the 79 here shortly. I have a fuel pump replacement video coming up here shortly on a OBS GMC Chevy truck like this, the GMT 400s. And yeah, so remember guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.